Hi guys, I'm Eileen. If you're new here, I post a video every week about fashion and luxury, and I'll be so happy if you decide to join my YouTube family. So today's video is the part 3 of my jewelry collection series. If you haven't checked out part 1 and 2, I'll leave a link somewhere here. So this video is about my Hermes collection. Now I love the rose gold from Hermes. I don't know, there's just something about it. I think it has a very subtle shade of pink and it's the kind of shade that will complement any skin tone. So it's really no surprise that all my pieces are in rose gold. My first Hermes piece is this ring. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce the name in French, so I'll just leave the details somewhere here. So this collection was designed by Robert Dumas, who took the inspiration from a ship anchor. I really like this design. I think it's very chic and playful. I usually wear this ring on my forefinger on the right, and I really like the way it feels on the skin. If you look at the ring closely, the profile is quite flat and the edges are very rounded, so it really feels quite nice on the finger. However, because of the design, the little corners can be a bit tricky to clean. Now, unlike Cartier, Hermes doesn't give you a polishing kit when you buy the pieces. So what I'll do is I'll just use the Cartier polishing kit to clean all my pieces. But really, you can easily get a polishing kit on Amazon now, but you just want to make sure the brush and the polishing cloth are super soft. I really enjoy this piece. It's very understated, but if you're an Hermes lover, you probably will not miss it. These earrings are from the same collection, so again the design is very simple and understated. And I think it's quite possible that only Hermes lovers will be able to identify them. And because they are so low key, I think they are perfect for everyday wear. The backings for these earrings are quite flat and wide, so they feel quite comfortable even when you go to sleep with them on. The backings are also quite easy to maneuver, and once they are on, the earrings feel quite secure. So because of that, I like to wear these when I go away on holidays. I think these are a fantastic entrance piece, especially if you're new to the Hermes fine jewelry collection. This is a necklace from the Gambade collection. I think this collection is only mainly available in rose gold. And in terms of necklaces, there are quite a few options that you can go for. So there's the very beautiful long necklace, and they also do a simple pendant version. I went for this one because the design is so special. It's not really a long necklace, but it's not a short necklace either. The locking mechanism is on the front, so it's super easy to put on. The chain measures 63 centimeters and there's only one setting. One thing I really like about this necklace is when I put it on, it stays put and it lies nicely on my chest. So unlike a long necklace, it doesn't make too much movement when I move. To me, this is a statement piece, but it's not too much in your face. In fact, if you're wearing a very plain outfit, you can also layer this with a short necklace, and I think that will really complete a simple outfit. I also really like the details on this necklace. So there are 2 diamonds. There's a dangling diamond on the side and a tiny little diamond on the Hermes tag. The total weight is 0.11 carat. There's also a H tag on the other side, which is a cute little detail that I really adore. Next one is also a necklace, and this is the Kelly necklace in rose gold. This piece is truly exquisite and I absolutely love it. So the Kelly pendant is made of solid gold and there are 47 diamonds. The total weight is 0.21 carat. The diamonds are only set on the front surface of the pendant. There are 2 settings on the chain, so the 38 or the 40 centimeters. I usually prefer to wear this on the longer setting, and I think it's very comfortable around my neck even when I go to sleep. In my opinion, the quality of this pendant is quite comparable to other luxury houses like Cartier. Now, as much as I love this necklace, it's not my everyday piece. I usually wear my Van Cleef Sweet Alhambra necklace on a daily basis. To me, this is quite substantial and it's quite eye-catching. I think the pendant does attract a bit of attention even if you're not really into Hermes. My outfits are usually quite plain and casual, and I think this necklace works quite well in my wardrobe. Hermes also has the Birkin and the constant pendants in this collection. They are also available in yellow gold, although I've never seen them on the UK website. So between the 3 options, I was really only considering the Kelly and the Birkin, but to me the Birkin pendant looks quite similar to the Kelly one. However, the Birkin pendant is a bit heavier and there are more diamonds as well. So it is £700 more expensive compared to the Kelly one. Now visually they look quite similar to me and I can't really see a significant difference. So I happily went for the Kelly pendant and I'm very happy with it. My last piece is this CDC bracelet. I have this in the smallest size and I wear this on the right. This is my favorite piece. I absolutely love it and I've been wearing it every weekend since the day I got it. Now some of you might know that I have a Cartier Love Bracelet. Now that bracelet is timeless and it can really stand the test of time. However, for me, it's just not a very practical bracelet because I don't wear bracelet to work. So I started looking at another option and when I saw this bracelet, I thought it's just perfect for me. Now this piece is not as substantial as the Love Bracelet, but it's very user-friendly. I find it very easy to put on and remove the bracelet. And when you fasten the clasp, it also feels very secure. The clasp is cleverly hidden away, so it doesn't distract the beauty of this gorgeous bracelet. I've mentioned before that I prefer this bracelet to the Cartier Juste Un Clou bracelet because it just ticks all the boxes for me. It looks elegant and chic, it's comfortable and it's super easy to put on. So if you are looking for a forever piece from Hermes, I highly recommend this piece. So that's my Hermes collection. I really like the design of their jewellery. I find that many of their pieces really suit my personality. And as I've mentioned before, I really like their rose gold. So while I'm quite happy with what I have, if I ever add another piece, I think it will still be in their rose gold. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day.